Hello and welcome back to Scaled Down Customs. We've got some assembling to do, so let's get to it. Alright, I always struggle with the glass. I always get glue and everything on the glass, so there's quite a bit of cleanup, but mostly that went well. I've got a couple little bleed through spots on the sides I'll have to clean up, but anyway, making progress little by little. All right, guys, it's mostly complete. The chassis and the body married together. And of course, when I was gluing the rear hatch on, I got tons of glue. I had glue all over my glove, didn't realize it. That always happens to me. Since I've done that, and I always do that, I might as well show you how I correct that, because that used to panic me. But anyway, what I found is I end up wet sanding it out and then just polishing it back out, and most of the time you can't even ever tell. So I always got to put glue somewhere and screw something up. So I did just simulate the gasket around the headlight lenses, and that's way too thick, so that looks really out of scale. Not really happy with the way that turned out. Got a couple of little things to fix here and there, and of course I lost the metal transfer sticker somewhere. Can't find that, so I'll get it cleaned up and then we'll do the photo op. All right, thanks for watching, guys. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. It lets me know that you guys are interested and want to see more. Also, subscribing helps you not to miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.